In the previous session, we explored how Planisware delivers a fully MS project-compatible scheduling experience. Moreover, Planisware's resource and document management features give you tighter control over execution. But let's go beyond scheduling and look at advanced project management capabilities. Planisware's native phase and gate process ensures governance is embedded, not bolted on. With a clear visual pipeline, you can instantly see where each project stands in its lifecycle. Bring clarity and accountability to every decision point, defining gatekeepers and track gate deliverables with validation status, planned and actual completion dates, and role-based ownership so nothing falls through the cracks. In the timeline view, you can visualize how phases and gates are scheduled over time. With a single click, personalize the view and create multiple timeline perspectives tailored to executives, project teams, or governance bodies. With out-of-the-box dashboards, access your project's key metrics at a glance. Powered by Planisware's built-in BI capabilities, dashboards offer rich, flexible visualizations from bar and line charts to fully customized views. You can export dashboards in any screen in Planisware to PDF or PowerPoint, with fully editable outputs that let you adjust values, update visuals, and adapt messages for your audience. Planisware integrates seamlessly with your Microsoft ecosystem, enabling you to create and update project documents in Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, collaborate in real time with version control, connect to Microsoft Teams, and stay fully aligned with your Microsoft 365 environment. With the project overview, gain instant visibility into everything that matters: scheduled activities, costs, risks, issues, resources, scoring, and more, so you can stay in control and drive confident, informed decisions. Stay tuned for our next session.